Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I did wire this mag lock, which is an emergency exit door, no touch exit, okay, and then I got a 12-volt power supply that I connected here, and then this is just a terminal where I connect all the plus here and then all the negative here, so positive, negative, okay. So we are going to start, okay, so we are going first to wire our no touch exit button. We are going to give it power because this needs 12 volt power. The maglock also needs 12 volt, okay. So on this maglock you will see here plus 12 on the left, plus 12, okay. So the plus 12 volt go to plus 12 on my power supply here, okay. And then the ground, which is negative, but you will see GND, so that one go to negative of the power supply here, which will be minus. So it's going to be plus, minus, okay. Now we're going to switch the feed into no touch, okay. From the no touch, NC1, so you see NC1 here, or just find NC1 or NC on your no touch. In my case I got NC1, so from NC1 I ran a cable also to plus, positive of my power supply here, okay. So from this no touch I got two cables that are coming, that are going to the positive of my power supply, okay, the plus 12 and then the NC1, okay. So this, what it does is get the power cut when you put your hand near the no touch, so it can open the maglock, okay. So step 3, we are going to do no touch from here to emergency exit button, door release, okay. So from COM on my no touch I ran a cable to terminal 1. If you check here, my terminal 1 is this side, so COM no touch terminal 1 door release, okay. So now from the maglock I did connect another cable from terminal 2 of this door release to plus on my maglock. So plus from the maglock, terminal 2 of my door release, terminal 2 door release, plus on the maglock 1 cable, okay. So after that we go to the negative from the maglock. These negative from the maglock are connected to negative of my power supply, okay. So minus or negative from power supply to minus negative of my maglock, okay. So now we are going to test it. You can see my gate is opening When I put my hand, look here. When I put my hand there, it's open. I also go to remote here. If I press this button, it open. If I press, it's closed. Okay. Now, in case of emergency, in case of emergency, you just press here. Let me put it next to the lock. If you press here, you can see it's cut the power. If you leave it, you can see the yellow line here. So if you see your door release, your emergency door release, if you see this yellow here, that means you need to reset it. Because in case of emergency, if you press, it won't open your door. So there's a key you need to use. Let me show you this one here. You see those two here. There's a key for it. So you need to make sure that yellow line is not visible. Otherwise, if you press this emergency door release, it won't release your door. So if I press here, light is off. If I leave it, it's on. Press. Okay. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.